Hey guys, welcome back to the channel M.O.P Riders. So today's video gonna be about the top rack. So I got this for 500 rupees from Mangalore Bandar. So it looks like a good quality one. So we'll fit this to our bike NS200, and I thank my friend for giving it to me just to make a video about this. So we'll show you guys how to fix it and enjoy the video. If you like the video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. And let's start the video. So guys, what you have to do is you have to remove all these 4 bolts using this Allen key. I'll show you guys. So fitting is almost done. I'll show you guys how it looks. So first let me pack all the tools and I'll show you guys. So that was today's video guys. If you like the video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you want such top racks, you can DM me on Insta, or you can comment down below. I will give you some links about the top rack as well as saddle stay. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.